involved. But let's talk about those three systems in relation to how the human body or the structural organization of the body is made up. One thing is that in both the arms and the legs, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 joint alignment or bony joint alignment. And what that means is from on the upper body, the humerus, and in the lower body, the femur, you have one major bone that connects off the main skeleton. Then you have, as you work your way down, radius and ulna in the forearm, and then tibia and fibula in the lower leg. So you can see that the structure is going from less bone into more dynamic and more complex movements as it goes into the feet and into the hands. Then we go into the hands, we have all of the major hand bones down into the metacarpals for the upper body. And then in the lower body, we have the same with the tarsal bones down into the metatarsals. And that's what, with the humerus, we need to complete a wide range of movements and through a large range of motion. But with that motion, there needs to be a lot of control and a lot of input right back to the body. So we need to be stable through the most proximal joints, and that's why there's less bones there. And then we need to be more mobile or more dynamic as we get further away from our body. So the shoulder needs to stabilize, so then the hand can be used for prehensile and grasping type activities. And that setup is the same for the upper body and the lower body. So what that implies then is that the muscles that are around the humerus are going to be different than the muscles that are around the metacarpals. They're going to be different in structure and in function. And if we're not using the structure and function appropriately, then we're going to be using the tendons of the forearm for something that the upper body or the more stronger proximal muscles needs to be doing.